We add a new dependency, Spring Boot DevTools. This dependency will cause the application to restart whenever files on the class path change. We run our application, then we make change in the Flight application class by adding some spaces. We click Save All. As you can see, the application is restarting automatically. We can disable the DevTools property by setting this property to false in the application.properties. We create a new class, we call this class Flight, and we put it on the models package. We check Generate Comments, and we click Finish. We can change the default order in the Java doc. We go to the eclipse.ini file, and we change the property -duser.name. We add the annotation entity from javax.persistence. This annotation indicates that the flight class is persistent. We add the ID flight of type long, the company of type company. We create a new class company, and we put it on the models package. We add flight type, travel type of type enumeration. Departure date, arrival date, back date of type local date. Departure time, arrival time, back time of type local time. Departure location, arrival location of type string. Flight duration, connection duration of type local time. Aircraft type of type string. We import the local date class from java.time. The local date class represents a date without time or time zone. We import the local time class from java.time. The local time class represents a time without date or time zone. We create a new enumeration for the flight type, and we put it on the enumerations package. We import the flight type enumeration. We create a new enumeration travel type in the enumerations package. We import the travel type enumeration from the enumerations package. We annotate the ID flight with the ID annotation. The ID annotation defines the primary key. We can generate the identifiers in different ways, which are specified by the generated value annotation. We choose the identity generation strategy. In this case, the database is responsible to auto-generate the primary key. We import these annotations from javax.persistence. We add the annotation column on the flight type with the name element to specify the name of the column in the table. We import this annotation from javax.persistence. And we add the column annotation with the name element on the other fields. We go to the company class and we add the annotation on Chichi from javax.persistence. We add the ID company of type int, company name of type enumeration, and flights of type set of flights. We import the set interface from java.util. We create a new enumeration for company name in the enumerations package. We import the company name enumeration from the enumerations package. We annotate the ID company with the ID and generated value annotations. The generation type auto indicates that the persistence provider should select an appropriate strategy based on the specified database dialect. This is the default generation type. We add the column annotation on the company name. We add the one-to-many annotation from javax.persistence on the flight set. This annotation means that one row in the company table is mapped to multiple rows in the flight table. One company can have many flights. The fetch type lazy doesn't load the relationship unless explicitly asked for via the getter. We use the mapped by property to tell Hibernate which variable we are using to represent the parent class in our shell class. We can also add a reference to company in flight using the many-to-one annotation, making this a bidirectional relationship. The join column annotation references the mapped column. We import these annotations from javax.persistence. We generate getters and setters. We generate constructor using fields. And we generate constructor from superclass. We click Save All. The application is restarting automatically, and our tables, flight and company were created in the database.